Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are showing you how the ChatGPT Integration add-on can seriously level up your quizzes. It creates questions for you in seconds, super easy and super fast. Let me show everything from scratch. All you need to do is to have QuizMaker plugin installed and activated, which is super flexible, and then activate the ChatGPT Integration add-on. Let me show how you can install the add-on. You should go to Plugins section, then click Add New Plugin button, then Upload Plugin. We choose our file, zip file. We click Install Now button and activate the plugin. Now let's go to the Questions tab. Here you can see the ChatGPT integration icon, but to activate it you should go to General Settings and then Integration. Let's scroll a bit down to find ChatGPT Integration add-on. And here you should insert your API key from your OpenAI key page. Let me quickly insert my API key. As you can see, I've already inserted my API key, and now I should save all these changes. Now let me show how this add-on generates questions. We should go to Questions, click this icon, and here you can see that by default it offers us Geographic Questions theme with 3 questions and 3 answer count. We can write here, for example, biology, and set questions count, for example 5, and 3 answers count. Let's generate it. As you can see, it generated 5 questions for us. Now let me show how you can choose a file, and according to the context of the file it will generate questions. We click to this Choose File button, then insert our PDF file. Here you can also set your questions count, for example 10, and click this Generate button. As you can see, the questions were created. So this ChatGPT integration add-on is a perfect add-on that creates many interesting questions. Let's check, for example, this question: why digital marketing considered cost-effective? And it also provides the correct answer, but you can make changes here and save it. And now all you have to do is to go to Quizzes section and make the quiz with already generated questions. We click this Add New button, and from here we insert our questions. This was all about ChatGPT Integration add-on. Activate it and make many creative quizzes with already generated questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.